Hello and welcome to today's daily Trade Watch video brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Wednesday the 26th of February. So just before we begin, if you'd like to connect with us for our social media channels, the details are there currently up on the screen. And just to let you know some of the products and services we make available to our traders every Monday to Thursday at 9 p.m. UK time. You can join us for approximately 30 minutes every evening, where we go through each of our markets that we look to trade. We look to trade foreign exchange, commodities, and global indices as well. And we look at big picture moves on daily time frames, where we're looking to capitalize on those opportunities. And we also do a plan for tomorrow's trading. So it's a multi-purpose webinar, really useful for planning for opportunities in the days ahead. We also have our signal service available, so whenever we get into a high probability trade, we post the details and we provide full explanation behind the trade, and we provide a chart of what we expect to happen. We have this daily Trade Watch video published most days, and then every Thursday at 8 p.m. we have our trading mentorship webinar as well. So we do like to provide as much support as we possibly can to our traders. So for more information, just go to our website, www.thelivetraderoom.com, for more information. And we have membership packages from as little as $19.99 a month. So hopefully you'd find that very affordable. And all the information is there. So feel free to contact us if you need. Okay, please see our risk warning currently up on the screen, and let's get straight in to discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll look at for the day ahead. So as the title of this video suggested, there has been some massive moves to the downside for the S&P, and we look at the S&P and the NASDAQ market to the downside. We've seen some significant moves. You're probably very familiar with the purpose and the reason behind these moves. Very much coronavirus orientated. As the number of cases increase and the number of deaths increase and the number of countries that are now involved, it's really becoming a global pandemic, and the response has been, as you can see, there's a very bearish stock market now as a result. So yesterday we spoke about the selling, or should I say, in Monday's market, we looked at the selling over the course of that day, and below the 32.14 was the next opportunity to get into the downside, and we saw that in yesterday's trading. A really strong, explosive move down to these lower levels, and that's the S&P 500. And we really anticipate the same again to the downside below the 31.18. So this market does have a little bit to go potentially. If you want to look at genuine levels of support, they're actually around this sort of 30.27 level, maybe a little bit higher. But so there is potential for this market to continue lower. It's very likely to do so. We just have to be probably quite patient with the move, but we'll see how things play out. So that's really the trade plan as such, and the same can be said really for the NASDAQ or the US 100, and we're looking to sell this market below the 87-82 level, and there's a nice bit of further space to the downside. So really we're getting a strong correction in these markets, really significant correction now to the downside, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens over the next couple of days. So we'll keep our eyes open for that. So feel free to connect with us through our social media channels. You're very welcome to join us every Monday to Thursday at 9 p.m. for 30 minutes, and this is UK time. We also have our signal service available. We publish this daily video. And every Thursday we have our mentorship webinar to just fill in the gaps and make sure that we can support you as best we can. So look, that's about it for today's daily Trade Watch video. So thank you as always for joining us. We look forward to seeing you next time. And do go to our website for more details, www.thelivetraderoom.com for more information. We look forward to speaking to you soon. For everyone here, bye for now.